Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the Hyundai Kona SEL Award 2023. We will provide you a complete review about Hyundai Kona SEL. If you are watching our video for the first time, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for new latest car. So let's dive into the video without wasting your time. Hyundai Kona SEL 2023 is an SUV car. The warranty of this car is 5 years 60,000 mile basics, 7 year unlimited mile correction, 10 year 10,000 mile derivant and the 5 year maintenance. It's come in midnight silver metallic, pearl white metallic, deep blue metallic, red multicoat and solid black colors. It consists of 4 doors and 5 seats. Hyundai Kona SEL 2023 provided a 2.0L inline 4 gas engine that produced 147 HP, 62,000 RPM horsepower and 132 lb-ft, 4500 RPM of torque. It gives the fully automatic transmission with all-wheel drives. It gets 8-speed gearbox. The front suspension of this car is strut and the rear suspension of this car is multi-link. The tire size of this car is 215 and the wheel size of this car is 17 in 7 aluminium wheel. Gasoline is a fuel type that gets the mileage of 28 mpg in a city and 33 mpg on the highway. The dimension and weight of this car is 165.6 inches in length, 79 inches in width, 61.6 inches in height and the wheelbase is 102 inches. The curb weight of this car is 3064 lbs and the ground clearness is 6.7 inches. If we talk about its other features, there are Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot, audio input, DVD player, touch screen, front and rear speaker, electric power folding, anti-lock backup, rear seats belt and the rear camera. If we talk about its entertainment, there are touch screen, Bluetooth connectivity, front and back speaker, audio system, remote control also in this car. If we talk about its safety, it has child safety lock, stability control lock, crash sensor for more comfort, adjustable seats. The 2023 Hyundai Kona SEL pricing is $22,000 US.